Everybody wants to trade like a pro and get rich quick, but most people forget the easiest way to make generational wealth. It's not day trading, it's not any get rich quick scheme, it's actually long-term investing. Let me show you why it's simple and why not even good day traders should ignore it. Let's go. The thing is, when you zoom out, everything changes. Most traders live on the 1 minute, 5 minute, M15 chart. They're chasing candles and they react to all the lower time frame noise. But I can guarantee you, on the higher time frames, on the weekly or even the monthly if you want, things look a lot different. Pullbacks that look like the end of the world on a lower time frame actually don't mean anything if you zoom a little bit out, guys. They are just small dips in a long-term uptrend, and that's what's important. The data doesn't lie, guys. If you've invested in any strong index or in any strong ETF as they are called, you could be the worst investor in the whole world. No matter if you would have invested at the high in 2025 when Trump became president, no matter if you would have invested in it before the 2021 bear market, no matter if you would have invested in before the COVID crash, over the long term, as you can see, guys, on the weekly chart, no matter when you would have invested, if you would be the worst investor, you would invest here, invest in every top. Ultimately, you would come out profitable if you just held long term and with conviction. You don't need to time the perfect entry, and the most important thing is to not stress over red days, because red days will come. You just need to be consistent, invest monthly into a strong index like the S&P, like a world ETF as I do, and yeah, just let it run and just don't overcomplicate it, guys, and be consistent with it. So if it's that simple, why do most people lose? Because they don't actually invest their money, they just speculate. They buy high, they panic on every red day, they chase every green day, and they chase every good day in the market, because they actually confuse trading with investing. Those are completely different terms, guys. And most people expect to master both instantly, but that's not the case. Here's the truth, guys. Day trading is way harder than investing. Day trading is probably one of the most hardest skills on the planet that you can master, and you need a lot of patience and discipline to master it. Only a small percentage of people that try day trading actually make it in this space. I don't want to sound negative or anything, but you just need to have also a backup plan, like investing long term, because as I mentioned earlier, most people, if you do it right, will turn out profitable if they just invest long term instead of short term. So literally anyone that has a stable income can generate wealth over the time, invest over 20, 25, 30 years, and yeah, just be consistent with it, guys, and I can promise you, you will learn a lot of things with doing so. Hello, sir. Can you teach the people about long-term investing? What do you have to say? Okay. Yeah, cool. Thanks for the valuable tips. Listen to this little guy. He knows what he's talking about. Here's how I balance both worlds. I trade short term to generate cash flow to pay myself a salary, and I invest long term. Every month, a big part of my income goes into long term investments. What I do, I pick assets that I personally believe in. For example, I only invest into a world ETF, a package of thousands of stocks packed into one. That way I'm well diversified and I can build wealth over the long term. And I also invest a part of it into Bitcoin only, because I believe in Bitcoin and I will think at some point it will reach 1 million per Bitcoin, and that's what I believe in. That's why I also allocate a part of my investments into Bitcoin. And if the market crashes, guys, that's the most important thing. I don't panic sell, I don't do actually anything. The only thing I do, if I see red days, I actually buy more, because I see it like a sale in the supermarket. You can get your groceries for cheaper. Why wouldn't you buy your groceries cheaper? The same way, if the market crashes, I see, okay, I can accumulate more shares for the same amount of money because it's actually cheaper. And that's the mindset that you have to have when you are long-term investing. So trading pays me monthly and yearly, but long-term investing pays me for life. And honestly, guys, the only way how I can keep making money monthly and invest long-term monthly is because I trade with a reliable prop firm, and that's Bright Funded for me, guys. I work with Bright Funded, I think 43 payouts, over 125k in payouts, and they are always reliable, they're always helpful. Every payout in less than 24 hours. That's why I work with them. I only work with people that I personally also believe in. So if you want to try out a reliable prop firm, if you don't have a lot of capital available, you can try Bright Funded. The link is in the description. Code FLOP somewhere here, and it will be put in. With that you can save 20% on all challenges. And yeah, this little guy approves. Do you? Yeah, he said yes. Thanks, guys. So yes, guys, learn trading, push yourself, develop the skill that you need to make money with short-term trading and try to master it. I don't wanna talk you out of that, but never forget long-term investing is what guarantees your future. Trading can make you rich, guys, but long-term investing will make sure that you stay rich. Thanks for watching the video, guys. All links down below. Trap Capital Bright Funded. Peace out. See you in the next one. Any last words? Hey!